Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Today we have seen about the excavation techniques. So first one is the purpose of tunneling. So we are providing the tunneling some purposes we need that. So first one is the certain mines. So mining is very important. So the tunnels are made to extract the coal from the coal seams. Then hydroelectric projects, the diversion tunnels for the channel diversion and for proper generation. The normal flow of river through the tunnels. Then water supply and sewage disposal. This is used by the tunneling. For supply of drinking water or sewage disposal purpose, tunnels are made. Transportation to lay roads or railway tracks to regularize the traffic and transportation of goods. Laying cables and service lines. These are the utility tunnels for laying cables and for transport of oil, gas through pipelines. To reduce the distance between places of interest across the natural obstacles like hills, and to save time and to provide conveyance. Terminologies of tunnel and underground passage for vehicles and pedestrians, especially one which is created by digging rear, then axis, then cross section, then excavation, then muck. The muck means the debris removed during excavation. Lining, materials used to finish the inside surface of the tunnel. Then overburden, the soil and rock supported by the roof of the tunnel. Then portal is the open end of the tunnel, usually includes a wall to surround the soil around the opening. Adit means the main entrance of the tunnel profile, a side view of the tunnel. Shaft, a vertical underground passage from the top to bottom, where there is initial to access to the bottom. TBM is nothing but the tunnel boring machine, a tunnel machine which has cutting the teeth at the front. It creates the tunnel opening while passing the waste material through the rear. Ventilation, the circulation of fresh air is called the ventilation. Classification of tunnels, then though based on the hard rock tunnels, the other is the soft rock tunnels. Then the effects of tunneling. When the tunnels are made through weak or unconsolidated formations, they are provided with the due to heavy and repeated blastings during excavation of a tunnel. Compactness in rocks. In addition, rock becomes a loose fractured which allow the movement. Then the fault zones, the fall of rocks, the roof may be collapsed due to the stress and strain of the region due to the overburden. Then the types of tunnels, the based on the purpose of tunnels, then based on the surrounding materials. So the purpose means nothing but the roadway, then utilize then surrounding materials is soft clay or hard rock. Then submerged tunnels. So then selection of tunnel alignment. So we need to the some selection method. The first point is either depending on topography of area and the points of the entrance and exit. Then selection of the site to be made considering 2 points: alignment, restraint, then environmental consideration. Then classification based on alignment. The first one, the off-spot tunnels, short length tunnels to negotiate the minor obstacles, then saddle or base tunnels, then slope tunnels, they constructed in the sleep for the economic and the safe operation. The spiral tunnels, then the forms of loops in the interior of mountainous. Then based on the purpose is the conveyance tunnels and the traffic tunnels. Then next is based on the type of the material made with the construction. The first one is the hard rock, then soft material, then water bearing soil, then setting out of the tunnel. So